Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing? So you will see that I have a little table runner here. Here's the bottom of it. This is it was a quote unquote free project from that mystery quilt thing that I had done earlier in the year, and it was supposed to be for fat quarters, and I'm like, why not? And well, remember I don't know if you saw or not, where I did a stash enhancement experience recently, along with this one, and I never did really think I would use them together, but I thought, hey, why not? Because I purchased every single one of these fabrics from the dealer that was quote unquote my dealer for this, and I get it all together, and then I realized I have a faux pas right here. So what I need to do is, let me scoot this up a little bit. I need to take out like the seam right here, probably for about up to here, and then this probably up to here, and then unstitch this and unstitch this, flip this around, flip this, and sew it on again, because this one is upside down. But for this, whoop, sorry about that. For this to be correct, yeah, that's going to be the easiest way, I think, for me to do it. Wait, no. It's this one that's wrong. I'm going to have to look at this again. 1, 2, 3. These two are wrong. So I have to flip this one and this one. So that's going to be fun, and I'm going to have to surgically do this, because I'm not taking this binding full all the way apart, and I'm not disassembling the whole thing, but I think I can do it, hopefully. I don't know, but is this thing perfect? Heck no. I was having a senior day or something, and all my cutting was off. So this was supposed to use 6 fat quarters, 1.5 yards or something. I probably used 2.5, 3 yards in this top. So just tell you where I was at yesterday. I don't know, but I will update you if and when I get this done. Hopefully before I get this posted. I will talk to you later. Well, I'm back. And just as an update, you can see that I did take these two out here, and I flipped this one and this one, so that everything is now in there correctly. Although this right here didn't, that point, I need to press it flat, and this one didn't match up quite too good. But after all of the issues that I had with cutting and stuff on this one, I'm calling it good. I'm not going to worry about it. I know I can get this pressed a lot flatter out, and then when I quilt it, I mean, it's probably just going to go behind the sink, right, on the island. I don't know, but it looks so springy, and it I don't know, almost Eastery to me. Anyway, that is going to be it for this video. And sometimes when you find that mistake in there, if it's not in too hard of a place, you might be able to take it out without undoing a whole bunch of it. At least that's been my experience. And while not perfect, hey, none of my quilts are, so I can live with it. I mean, geez, look up there. But hey, every one I'm getting better, right? That's what it's all about. My senior mind says it's all right, and it's all all right. Right? Anyway, so I have to explain this fabric a little bit. So I think these two are in the same line, and this is a grunge, and this were in the same colorway. It's a Kona Bay color movement or something, but this color is kind of in here, and I think all of these flowers, since this is the same line, are the same. And then the pinks in this grunge look kind of like some of the pinks and some of these inner ones. And then this just, it's kind of in here as well. Um, I don't. After seeing this, I'm torn as to what to bind it with because originally I was thinking about this mint grunge, but I'm not so sure about it with this. I I may bind it with this. I may, whoops, bind it with this. I'm not sure, but hey, at the end of the day, it's just going to be seen in my house, right? I will talk to you later, and I hope you are having a good day. I'm going to go finish watching football now. I missed the first game. The Eagles are on right now, and I think they're losing unless they scored in the last minute or two. They're losing 7-6. So until later, I'll talk to you then.